Good morning, I am Mr. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic on structural geology and geophysical methods. In this, we are going to discuss about the faults of the rock surface. Faults are nothing but they are the geological fault is a plan or fracture that is created in the rock surface. Fault is nothing but a fracture phase that is formed in the rock is called as the faults. These type of faults can be formed due to the compression, tension, and due to the shear stress of the rock surface. Next one, normal fault. These are the first type of the fault. Normal faults are nothing but the movement of the rock surface is caused due to the these type of faults is caused due to the movement of the hanging wall that moves downwards from the upwards is called as the normal faults. The hanging wall falls downward is called as the normal faults. These types of faults are most common in the East African areas. Next one is the reverse faults. Reverse fault is nothing but, as it is shown in the figure, the hanging wall, it moves upward to the footing wall is called as the reverse faults. This type of fault is most commonly formed due to the compressional force. As we have seen, the normal fault is created due to the tension force. The reverse fault or the thrust fault is created due to the compressional force. These type of rocks or these type of faults are most common when the earthquake occurs. It is called as the reverse or thrust faults. Next one is the strike slips. Strike slip is the another type of faults. Here the fault or the fracture is created when the movement of the hanging wall is in the horizontal direction. It is called as the strike slip faults. Here the hanging walls moves in the horizontal direction, whether it may be in the upward, whether it may be in the front or in the backward position is called as the strike slip faults. Next one is the these are the types of faults that we have seen. Fault is nothing but the fracture that is created in the rock surface. There are majorly three types of faults that is created in the rock surface. First one is the normal fault, next one is reverse fault and strike slip fault. Normal fault is created due to the tension force of the rock surface. Next one is the reverse fault or the thrust fault. It is created due to the compressional force of the rock surface. These compressional force may be caused due to the external or due to the internal movements or due to the tectonical plate movements of the rock surface. Next one is the strike slip fault. Strike slip fault is nothing but the movement of the hanging wall may be in the horizontal direction is called as the strike slip fault. These types of faults are most common in the southern part of the African areas. These are the major part of the faults that we have seen. Next one is the joints. Now joints are nothing but these are also a natural fractures that are created in the rock surface is called as the joints. As it is also common like the faults, these are also a fractures, but these are created due to the natural disasters. Next one is the semantic joints. Semantic joints are these are formed. These are very these are like arranged fractures. These are semantic in nature. That means it is arranged. The fractures are arranged in layer by layer. It's called as the schematic joints. These joints are very common in nature. Next one is the non-semantic joints. Non-semantic joints is nothing but there is no organized there is no any organized form of the rock surface is called as the non-semantic joints. These joints are also a fracture that is created in the rock surface. These non-semantic joints are most common in the hilly areas, that is most common in the Himalayan regions and in the Western Ghat region. These non-semantic joints are most common, where the semantic joints are very rare in nature. These non-semantic joints may be caused due to the earthquakes or due to the volcanic eruptions or due to the landslides of the landslides. These are very common in nature. These are the non-semantic joints.